unique project e-Shramik developed by National Informatics Center Odisha, which is unique of its kind. One of the focus areas of our Honorable Prime Minister nowadays is one is skill development and second is labor hours. So taking in view of this, the unorganized sector workers, building and other construction workers, this e-Shramik is developed for Labour Commission Odisha. This project is meant for facilitating the building and other construction laborer to register online through this portal so that they can get various benefits from the government and also collection of cess through this portal. Laborers were really harassed by middlemen while registering their names in labor offices, district labor offices. They are in this system, they need not come to here, they can online register their names and details through the system so that the names, details, if email or anything is available, that can be registered. And one ID, printed ID card can be given to them, the laborers. And with that, they can get various facilities like cycle advance, medical advance, then accident benefits and other benefits through online payment gateway. It is integrated through online payment gateway system so that any discrepancies through middleman this online portal facilitates the laborers various benefits of government like cycle advance, medical benefit, hospital benefits, then accident and other marriage benefits like this, and which were really blocked by the middleman. So the middle level is blocked so that they can get through payment gateway all the cash benefit through their bank through payment gateway. Also, there is a huge problem in collection of cess. So construction offices, establishments, say for executive engineers, contractors, builders, and even if the block development officer, they used to register through this portal so that registration of establishment is facilitated. And after that, any construction is done, 1% is collected as cess. So through this portal, the 1% collection can be collected through credit card, debit card, and net banking through online payment gateway. So that any intermediate problem can be restricted and transparency is maintained so that the original money is not hijacked or transferred to anything. So government makes a very transparent system for collection of cess and benefiting the citizens through this portal. And this is e-governance model is one of the unique of its kind to get various benefits to government in particular and laborers in general. Thank you.